Okay, we are going to continue with part C of the density lab. You will be broken up into groups. I will tell you at the beginning of class what unknown letter you are, so you will know which part to pay attention. The first, for part C, the first unknown I'm going to do is A. So this is sample A. Notice the balance is at 0. So I'm going to put sample A on the balance. The decimal point is right there. Right there's the decimal point. And remember to include these to 2 decimal places. Now we're going to get the volume. Remember the volume, it's better if I hold a white sheet behind it for you to see better. Now when you're getting this volume, this is just the volume of the water. So that's where you record this. I'm going to hold it up there. And right there is your volume. So make sure you record that. That's an easy one to see, huh? So that's the volume of your water. Just a reminder for your volumes, take them to 1 decimal place. That's a guess. So your decimal place might be different than another decimal places from another person. Now we are going to slowly, I tilt it so I don't smash the bottom. And now we are going to see what the volume of the water and the solid is. The water and the solid. If you need me, I can move it just a little bit. Awesome. This is the volume of the water and the solid. You read it off the graduated cylinder. Okay. All right. All right, so now hold patient, and we're going to do part B. Part B. Part C, sample B. So there's a lot of bubbles in this. Let's get them to rise to the top. All right, so while that's settling, we are going to zero out our balance. And I lost. This must be B. Oh, it's B. All right, so ready? Let's get the mass of B for those people that will be doing solid B. Again, right there's the decimal point. Wish I could focus this a little bit better. All right. Okay, so next thing we do, we get the volume. Put the paper. That's our initial volume. That's the volume of just the water. Make sure everyone gets that volume of the water. Okay, we are going to slowly put the cylinder in. This is for those people that are group B. And let's see how much the water rose. Okay, so everyone got that, right? All right. So now, for part C, those people that will have solid C. Those people that will have solid C. Here's what solid C looks like. Sort of clear, so you know it's not a metal. And that is the mass of C. Same size, a lot lighter. Make sure you record it to 2 decimal places. All right. Now we need to record the initial volume of the water. Again, this is part C, solid C. Make sure you do the solid that I tell you. Everyone get that initial volume of your water. Initial volume of your water. This is not very user-friendly. There we go. Everyone get the initial volume of your water. Make sure you're recording these volumes to 1 decimal place. Okay, I'm now going to pop C in. Now you are getting the volume of the water and solid. The volume of the water and solid. The volume of the water and solid. And this is for solid C. And I'm sure you can pause this also if I'm going too fast. All right, so now we are going to do E. Some of you will be E. Some of you will be E. This is E. Get the mass of E, and the decimal point is right there. This is E, part C, solid E. Record that in your data table. Your volume. This is your volume of just the water. Your volume of just the water. Your volume of just the water. Now let's put sample E in. And this is your volume of the water plus solid. The volume of the water plus solid. Now we have one more to do. And guys, like I said, the only reason I'm filming this is because on Friday a lot of people weren't hearing me. I was going in and out and they were only hearing part of my words. So now I'm probably going to be videotaping a lot and then giving you a chance to watch it and then ask questions in class. Because that's until this connectivity issue's fixed. It's going to be hard and I don't want people missing out on things. And also, I would have loved for you guys to do this lab. This is a fun beginning lab for Honors Chem, but obviously that's not an issue currently, so hopefully this all will be over shortly and we can start doing labs again. The last sample I have is sample I, and here it is, sample I. And I'm going to put it on the scale, and you're going to get the mass of it. So the mass, I'll stop over when I'm done. The mass is 16.48 grams. So let's record that. This is for I, 16.48 grams. Let's get your initial volume of the water. Your initial volume of the water. Aha, look at that. Now it's a lot better. Sorry, guys. All right, so now we're going to put H in, but we're going to tilt it because it's a little bit heavier. And now, there you go. Struggling here today. There you go. That is the final volume. Wow, that's really nice once I figured out how to focus it. All right, so those are all your datas. I'm going to stop the video and we're going to sort of do some percent error calculations. Thanks.